Okay, let's check this place out. What I'm going to do today is pick one of these walls and show you a few things on them. And then in the next video, I'll do the same thing on a different wall. He's constantly updating these. Just finally got them all priced correctly. I was showing you at the beginning to show off some of his collection. But today, I guess we'll start on this wall here. These look like movie cars. So we're going to run down from the top left all the way over to the right here. If you see something you like, shoot me an email. I'll give you the email address. And we'll go from there. We'll try to get you a car and get you what you want. The best outcome is you come up here at Maple Motors, check them out in person, and we can sell them to you. So we're going to start up here in the front. It's a Halo car. He's got $6 on it. Same with that one. There's a bunch of those Halo cars. Coming on over to this one. Like I said, if you see something you like, just tell me which one it is. And we'll try to get it to you through the email. You have to pay shipping, whatever it costs, to get it to you. And he also has an eBay store. Should be under Jim Fite's Hot Wheels or Maple Motors Collectibles. The Brady Bunch. Got the Forza cars. Oh, taxi cab. And sorry it took so long to get these out here. You priced them all individually. That one's pretty sweet. Back to the Future. Got a couple of those. Top Gun. That's awesome. A-Team. Bullet. some of the higher end cars here. As you can see, we're in the $50, $60 range here. And this is how we'll start doing the videos from now on. We'll pick a wall, and as he sells some of them off, we'll pick a different wall and start going down it, showing you some of these cars. As he gets them ready, I'll do a full room walk, which will make it more difficult to pick out cars, but picking a wall here should take care of that issue. Any other suggestions, I'll listen to you in the comments. Go ahead and comment below. We'll try to help you out. We went through that whole wall there, and they're priced as marked. Maybe in the next couple days, we'll go ahead and jump on some of the red line club cars, and we'll jump on that wall. As you can see, he's got the room full. Sorry it's taken me so long. He had to go back and price stuff. So he worked the flea market down in Nashville, Tennessee for a long time. I did a lot of that with him. And let's just say they've been priced for about 5 or 10 years on some of these cars. So he had to go back, check the market, and price accordingly. That's why it took so long, because he went through every single car. But yeah, now that the store's getting ready to open, I showed you some of the cars that he just had on that first wall. If you see any that you like, email me at that email address provided. Do not call Maple Motors. That is not how you'll get the cars. So I appreciate you watching, and I'll be posting more this week. So hit that share button, like, and I'll see you later. Thanks, guys.